Welcome back to another look into nature. Today, we are observing the animals' preparations for winter. Every year, these ground squirrels must collect enough sustenance to survive the harsh season in this deciduous forest. Try to get a little closer. Seems I've scared them off. No matter. I'll come back in a few weeks and see how they're doing. It's been a few days. I want to check on how the squirrels are doing. Oh look! They're over here! Seems that they have stocked up on winter food. Now, another task is at hand for them. They must store food for next spring. It won't be easy. They might even forget where they put their nuts. But no matter, they'll still find them anyway. Now they are ready for hibernation. Nature is truly beautiful.